right, now everybody, quiet, listen to me. We're going to start a show.
So hi, my name is Grant. I'm a sophomore at Stanford, class of 2023.
You've been shaping the perfect extracurriculars. You've spent hours and hours on standardized testing. You're barely surviving online high school, all for one goal, to get into the college of your dreams. But there's one last element of the college application process, one that manages to make even the strongest applications stumble, and that is the college application essay. 12 months ago, I was in that exact same position, and I spent hours, days, weeks, months to try and find the best resources on crafting the college application essay so that I could tell my story in the most authentic and genuine way. And somehow it worked. I was admitted into Stanford's class of 2024. My videos on the college application process have been viewed over 930,000 times on YouTube, and I have edited over 75 essays in this college application season alone. From private counselors to reading books to attending college fairs with Ivy League representatives, I spent so much of my time as well as money on trying to understand every aspect of the college application essay. And honestly, it was just because education is the biggest investment I and my parents, you and your parents are going to make. And I wanted to spare no effort or expense to realize my dream. But you should not have to go through all of that to try and understand the answer to a simple question. What makes a powerful college essay? So, welcome to the Dreamers College Essay Course, a first of its kind service that educates, expands your perspective as well as edits your essay. Number 1, educates. With over 20 plus episodes detailing every aspect of the college application essay, we have broken down what the core of an essay is into 4 parts. Number 1, ideation. Because the first thing you have to do in your essay is understand yourself and tell your admissions officer who you really are as a person. And this might sound easy, but a lot of people struggle at this stage. With our unique brainstorming exercises booklet, which has practical exercises for you to implement right now, we want to make sure that you do know yourself and you are able to communicate your core values. You're able to know your personal vocabulary. You have a few mementos or objects that have some meaning to you, and you can put all of those things down on paper. Number 2, storytelling. The part that does get overlooked the most, because at the end of the day, if you don't have an engaging essay, your application reader is just going to put you to the side. They're going to forget you. You have to make them genuinely curious about what it is you're doing and why you're doing it. And you do that by using tools of rhetoric, by understanding story structure like the hero's journey, for example, by trying to understand what in your sentence formation can actually generate impact, because that's what it's about at the end of the day. Number 3, writing. We're going to get down and pick up the biggest staple essays when it comes to the college application process. The Why Us essay, the Common Application essay, the Why Major essay, the short prompts, every single thing that you're going to be using everywhere. And really try and understand what are the elements of one of those good essays. Number 4, good essays. Number 4, editing. Because at the end of the day, if your writing, as Helen Swartz said, the author of The Writer's Diet, is flabby, it's really not going to make any difference, because you're just going to get your reader lost in the amount of density you have or the complexity of your writing, which is a lot of the times unnecessary. In this phase, we're going to be understanding practical skills that will help you turn your writing into a lean piece. The second portion of this course, expanding your perspective, with over 20 plus full-length interviews with students from Harvard, Yale, Stanford, Princeton, MIT, Berkeley, Brown, Columbia, Cornell, USC. That was a mouthful. We're going to be understanding and analyzing accepted essays, hearing the perspectives of individuals from over 9 countries, trying to understand how they try to reflect their experiences. And the third part of the course, essay editing. Because at the end of the day, we want to really test how this course helped you. We're going to be reviewing your entire common application essay, and not just reviewing it on grammatical terms, because honestly, Grammarly could do that for you. We're going to try and understand how effective your idea is, whether your icing is compelling enough, or trying to see whether this really is the truest representation of you. Does this represent your values? Does this represent who you are as a person, why you started a lot of your activities? This entire portion is just so that we can personalize this course for you. Whether you're a freshman, sophomore, junior, trying to bring all of the experiences you've had in high school to life, or you're a senior with a little over a month to complete all of your college application essays, this course has tried to put every single thing you'd need to make a powerful essay in just one package at $195. And if you do come from a first generation background or a low income background, we specially created the Dreamers Scholarship so that we can finance this entire course for you. Because at the end of the day, this education should be accessible. Education really is, like I said, the biggest investment you're going to make. And I truly do hope that this course could be one small piece in making sure that you don't fall over at the last hurdle. You don't face the same struggles I did, and you are able to put your story across in the most authentic, compelling, and engaging way possible. So, this is sleepdepriveddreamers.com. I hope to see you in class.